As architects and designers, our work doesn't stop at creating nice projects. While design is the most important part, we also need effective ways to present our work. Whether it's a portfolio or client presentation, the way we showcase our projects plays a huge role in communicating our ideas and convincing others of our design intentions. In this video, I want to introduce you to a platform that offers thousands of fully customizable templates and allows you to transform your PDF portfolio into an interactive flipbook in just a few minutes. The platform is called FlipHTML5. So it helps you create online flipbooks with realistic page flip animations, it's mobile friendly, and you can easily share them through a link or embed them on websites or online publications. What's great is that the platform offers customizable templates, themes, and branding options. Your content also stays SEO friendly, meaning the text remains searchable. There are also built-in analytics to track views and engagement, as well as privacy controls, so you can choose whether your flipbook is public, private, or password protected. I think it's a great tool for architects and designers who want to create a digital portfolio or presentations. There is a free version, but it's limited. The paid plans give you full access to all features, including more storage, branding control, and advanced tools. In this video, I will be using the full version so we can really explore everything. Let's get started. So this is the website. Let's sign in. You can directly import a PDF here or create one from scratch. If you don't already have a PDF ready to turn into a flipbook, you can browse through the templates to get inspired and start building your portfolio. Let's choose this one as an example. Once you open it, you will see this editing page where you can start customizing everything. It's actually very simple and intuitive. You can change the text, images, background colors, pretty much anything directly within the templates. You can also add new elements like widgets, shapes, buttons, icons, and more. And using the settings on the left, you can easily insert links, images, or additional text. On the right side, you will find the page size and background settings. You can also switch between a single page or a two-page view to have a little preview on how the flipbook will look. And remember, this is a digital portfolio, so it doesn't have to feel like a traditional static one. And that's the best thing about a digital portfolio. You can add effects to your text and images using the timeline here, which works a lot like a video editor. The page editor really helps bring your digital portfolio to life by letting you embed interactive elements such as videos, buttons, photo slideshows, and hyperlinks. And on top of that, you can find an AI assistant that can help polish your written content, correct grammar, adjust the tone, translate text into multiple languages, and even generate images from text prompts. Don't forget to save regularly so you don't lose your progress. You can also preview your projects on desktop, mobile, and tablet to see how it will look on different devices. Once you're happy with the overall design of your portfolio, you can move on to customizing the flipbook settings. Here you can add your flipbook information such as the title, keywords, and description. You can also customize the overall look of the flipbook. There are actually very detailed settings available, so if you enjoy fine-tuning every detail of your design, you will probably really appreciate these tools. You can also add your own logo and easily share your flipbook on social media, embedding it on a website or downloading it in different formats. If you want, you can even monetize your content through Google AdSense. There are also privacy settings that allow you to protect your flipbook with a password and control who can access it. The Statistics tab here lets you check the analytics and track engagement. You will find some accessibility settings there as well, and you can add forms, which comes again with a lot of templates. At the top, there are several viewing options for your portfolio. For example, you can switch between page flipping, slideshow mode, scroll view, switch mode, or a 3D flipping effect. And again, if you need to change anything on your pages, you can access the page editor here on the left. It will take you back to the editor where you can customize everything on your pages. One of the things I really like about this platform is that you can keep things very simple if you want. You can just choose a template, add your images and text, and you will quickly have a finished portfolio. But if you want to spend some time refining every detail, you can absolutely do that as well. The platform stays very practical and intuitive to use. And it's not limited to portfolios. There are also hundreds of templates available for magazines, catalogs, brochures, and more. It's definitely worth exploring. You might find it useful at some point. And that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you've tried FlipHTML5 before. If you still have some time, check out this other video right here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!